Packing for Iceland. Miss one key item, and your trip could get chilly fast. Be fully prepared for every adventure with the ultimate packing list for Iceland. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips. Let's get packing. Iceland is one of the most breathtaking travel destinations in the world, offering a mix of glaciers, volcanoes, hot springs, and rugged landscapes. But with its unpredictable weather and diverse terrain, packing for an Icelandic adventure requires careful planning. If you're heading to the land of fire and ice, you'll need to be well prepared to handle everything from freezing temperatures to sudden rain showers and even sunny moments. This comprehensive packing guide will ensure that you have everything you need to stay warm, dry, and comfortable while exploring Iceland's stunning landscapes. Whether you're visiting in summer or winter, this list will cover all the essentials. 10. Casual and comfortable clothing. While Iceland is known for its rugged landscapes, you'll also want to spend some time in Reykjavik, the country's charming capital. Exploring the city's cafes, museums, and restaurants requires a different kind of wardrobe than hiking through volcanic terrain. Icelanders tend to dress in a casual but stylish way, with an emphasis on warmth and practicality. If you plan to dine out at some of Reykjavik's top restaurants or visit cultural sites, packing jeans, sweaters, and comfortable walking shoes is a good idea. For summer visits, a lightweight jacket and breathable clothing work well for city walks. But even in summer, always have a sweater or fleece, as evenings can be chilly. In winter, you'll need heavier layers, including a warm coat for when you step outside to see the northern lights. 9. Sunglasses and sunscreen. It might sound surprising, but sun protection is just as important in Iceland as it is in tropical destinations. The long summer days, where the sun barely sets, and the reflective snow and ice in winter can cause severe sunburns and eye strain. Bring a good pair of polarized sunglasses to reduce glare from the snow, ice, and water. These will also help protect your eyes when driving, as the low-hanging sun can be blinding. Sunscreen is essential year-round, even on cloudy days, as UV rays can be strong. Choose an SPF of at least 30 and apply it to your face, ears, and hands, especially if you'll be spending a lot of time outside. 8. Travel adapter and power bank. Iceland uses Type-C and Type-F plugs with a 230V electrical system. If you're traveling from the US, UK, or other regions with different plugs, you'll need a travel adapter to charge your devices. Since many of Iceland's best sites are in remote areas, having a portable power bank ensures that your phone stays charged for navigation, photography, and emergencies. A waterproof phone case is also a smart investment. Between sudden rain showers, mist from waterfalls, and geothermal pools, your phone will be exposed to a lot of moisture. A dry bag or waterproof pouch is a great way to protect it. 7. Swimsuit and quick-dry towel. One of Iceland's most famous attractions is its hot springs and geothermal pools. Whether you're soaking in the Blue Lagoon, the Secret Lagoon, or one of the many natural hot pots in the countryside, a swimsuit is a must. A lightweight, quick-dry towel is also handy, especially for spontaneous dips in natural hot springs where rental towels aren't available. Some pools require you to shower before entering, so bringing flip-flops and a waterproof bag for wet clothes can also be helpful. 6. Day pack and reusable water bottle. A durable, lightweight day pack is essential for exploring Iceland's rugged landscapes. Whether you're hiking to a waterfall, walking along a black sand beach, or exploring lava fields, you'll need a place to carry essentials like snacks, water, and an extra layer of clothing. A reusable water bottle is also a must. Tap water in Iceland is some of the purest in the world, and you can refill your bottle anywhere without worrying about contamination. 5. Camera and extra memory cards. Iceland is a photographer's paradise, and you'll want to capture its breathtaking landscapes. While a smartphone camera can take great shots, bringing a DSLR or mirrorless camera will allow for higher quality images, especially in low-light conditions like the Northern Lights. Weather in Iceland can be harsh, so protecting your camera and electronics is crucial. Bring a waterproof camera cover, extra memory cards, and spare batteries, as cold temperatures can drain battery life quickly. A tripod is also useful, especially if you're photographing the aurora borealis or waterfalls. 4. Insulated and waterproof gloves, hat, and scarf. Iceland's unpredictable weather means that even in summer, a warm hat, insulated gloves, and a good scarf can make all the difference. Strong winds can make the air feel much colder, especially near waterfalls and on boat trips to see glaciers or whales. Keeping extremities warm is crucial, as fingers and ears are the first to feel the effects of cold temperatures. Opt for waterproof gloves, as wet hands can make outdoor adventures miserable. 3. Thermal base layers and waterproof outerwear. The foundation of your Icelandic wardrobe should be thermal base layers, even in summer. Merino wool or moisture-wicking synthetic materials are the best choices for staying warm and dry. Your outer layers should be fully waterproof because rain showers can happen at any moment. A Giori TEX or similarly waterproof and windproof jacket is essential for protection against Iceland's fierce winds and unpredictable downpours. If you're visiting in winter, a down jacket provides extra warmth when temperatures drop. 2. Sturdy waterproof hiking boots. Iceland's landscapes are rugged, wet, and often slippery, so a solid pair of waterproof hiking boots is a must. Regular sneakers or casual boots won't cut it if you're exploring glaciers, lava fields, or muddy trails. A well-insulated boot with good ankle support will protect your feet from the elements and keep you comfortable on long hikes. If you're traveling in winter, crampons or ice grips are essential to prevent slipping on icy paths. 1. Waterproof pants and windproof layers. The biggest mistake travelers make when visiting Iceland is underestimating the wind and rain. Even with a great waterproof jacket, if your pants aren't waterproof, you'll end up cold and miserable when the rain starts. Waterproof pants are a game changer, especially for hiking and outdoor activities. The wind in Iceland is stronger than in most places, so having windproof layers ensures that you stay warm while exploring. This is the most important part of your packing list. If you forget everything else, make sure you have proper outerwear. Packing for Iceland requires a bit more planning than your average trip, but having the right gear will make your adventure comfortable, enjoyable, and unforgettable. The key takeaway: layers, waterproof gear, and good footwear are the most important things to bring. Whether you're road tripping around the ring road, chasing waterfalls, or hunting for the northern lights, this packing list ensures you'll be prepared for anything Iceland's wild and beautiful landscape throws your way. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.